Hello everybody, and welcome to a Zandalee Christmas. I love Christmas and I'm so excited to be kicking off Christmas here in Banff. We're about to head over to the Fairmont Banff Springs and I'm so excited to see all of the Christmas going-ons this weekend and take you guys along. It's cold, so let's go. Alright, we just checked into the Fairmont Banff Springs. I'm so excited. Look at this massive Christmas tree behind me. And you guys have got to see this gingerbread house. It's insane. Alright, we just got into our room, the mini Santa suite. I'm so excited. I'm just in the hallway and I can see there's already so many Christmas things. Let's go. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. I wish we were staying longer because even the little office space is decorated. And then there's a little living room. Look at this. So Canadian. A true Canadian Christmas. What are the chances those gifts have gifts inside them for me? So we are here at the Fairmont Banff Springs to experience Christmas at the castle. And so this is one of 4 Santa-themed, Christmas-themed hotel rooms that you can actually rent out during the month of December, which is so exciting. So if your family's coming up here to spend some time in the Rockies, I highly recommend it because it feels extra festive, and I'm super pumped because tomorrow we're having a brunch and there's supposed to be tons more Christmas themed Instagram walls, all sorts of things. So I'm really looking forward to it. So first thing out of our stocking is Christmas at the Castle water bottles and a bottle opener, some lip balm, it's peppermint, it smells like Christmas, and a fall raven toque, another one, we can match, some mountain chocolates, so nice, all in this cute little red stocking. Thank you, Fairmont. So I came over to eat one of these chocolate reindeer strawberries, and I realized that this has chocolate inside of it, and I'm pretty sure it is chocolate. That's chocolate. You guys are probably gonna laugh, but my favorite part about staying at the Fairmont is that they have Le Labo samples. So we are just walking around the castle. It is massive, and it is Christmas everywhere. So the really awesome thing about Christmas at the castle is even if you don't stay in one of the Santa suites, you can still come and walk around the hotel all you want. There's like nothing that's really closed off, and you can still experience so much Christmas. Last night we heard that there was story time with Mrs. Claus, and since we're not children, we didn't come, but look how cool this is. So something you may not know about me is when I travel, I like to buy a children's book, and it's for our future children. We don't have any yet, but this one would make such a great gift. Alright, we just finished brunch and it was delicious. There was actually so much food, and I couldn't choose, and I just ended up with onion rings and turkey. Alright you guys, we have been walking around the castle some more. We got a little bit of a tour from Amy and Casey, who are our hosts from Fairmont, and it is wild. It is a full-on Christmas in here. It may as well be Santa's workshop, and the wild thing is, it isn't even all set up yet. So if you choose to come here with your family, it's gonna be ballin'. You gotta come. Alright, we are about to leave Christmas at the castle. I am so sad to be going because it is just so cheerful in here, and I loved our stay, so thank you so much, Fairmont, for letting us come and experience Christmas at the castle, and hopefully this will be a tradition every year after this. It has been absolutely wonderful. And please like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and more Christmas goodness coming at ya, and more goodness in the new year. Bye!